Hello and what is going on, lovely people of the internet? It is HOOTMONEY here with another video for you guys today. Today we are going to be congregating the Workhorse Army Ape Centaur gang back together because Workhorse had another great day. Now, yesterday we had an even better day, but today wasn't so bad. I liked what I saw today. I think Workhorse is a $30 stock, guys, and I think we're going to be seeing an enormous day coming our way in the near future. Anyways, guys, if you want to join the Workhorse Ape Centaur gang community, use the link in the description or in the pinned comment section to join my Discord channel. Guys, join the Discord community. We accept everyone with open arms there. We're a great community talking about stock trading, investing, meme stocks, cryptocurrencies. We post our YOLOs, our gains, whatever it is. So join our community if that's what you guys want to see. Links are in the description and the pinned comment section. And if you guys enjoyed this type of content and these constant updates each and every single day, make sure you guys leave me that early like on the video, because liking the video is the #1 thing you can do to help me out here on this channel. Now, I haven't posted a Workhorse video since yesterday morning. Oh my gosh, did I forget about Workhorse? Do I not like Workhorse anymore? Guys, Workhorse is my #1 play, and it's my most loyal fan base. Guys, my subscribers who are in Workhorse are the best. You guys are the best community. I have not seen a single bad vibe from any single person who's in the Workhorse army. Just know Workhorse is still my #1. Alright, so as you guys can see, Workhorse is sitting above $17 a share. Guys, this is an absolutely amazing landmark. I even said, don't be surprised if we see a -2 to 3% day tomorrow. And to my demise, we're up another 1.42% on the day and down 0.8% in after hours. I don't think this was a bad day at all, guys. We are holding above 17. That's awesome, guys. I am so excited. Shorts are in a very bad position for Workhorse, and we're going to be going over that in a second, but we're going to just do a little bit more technical analysis here. Now you guys can see we had a huge volume spike yesterday, and that really is what set us off. All right, so that set us off, the volume spike, boom, 10%, we hit 18, and we've been trading now above $17 per share. And as you can see, we've had higher lows each and every time, and we're just uptrending, guys. Like, this is a solid uptrend that I'm seeing ever since around June 22nd. That's when the uptrend began. I know that day was hard for some of you guys, but the people who held through it were the ones reaping the benefits, as you guys can see. So yeah, I'm really happy about that. Let's take a look at what the chart's looking like on Webull. Guys, now we're back into this top range in the Fibonacci band, so eventually we're gonna have to make some new bands. So yeah, I think it's safe to say that we officially graduated from this whole channel right here that we were fighting to break out of for such a long time, and we're now in a higher channel. And the next target is to find support on this $18.60 level, or just blast right through it. I'm down to just blast right through that level. I don't know about you guys, but if we find support on the $18.60 level, that would not be a bad thing at all. Now let's get into the juice. You guys already know what's up. It's Ortex. Let's just take a quick look at the graph right here. So as you guys know, we had 62% short interest according to Ortex, which fell off a cliff once we got that exchange reported short interest, even though we still have many shares out on loan, which is very suspicious. Anyways, guys, so once we got those new numbers, we went to 42% short interest, and it has decreased each and every single day since then. And we definitely shook out a few shorts as of yesterday, because as you guys can see, the short interest went down from about 42% to 40%. So shorts are definitely getting a little scared. And if we go over here, now the short interest is currently 39.76%, and we have a -2% short interest change on the day. So what that tells me is some shorts are getting a little scared here for Workhorse. And I'd be scared too if you were a short, because guess what? We're going to liquidate you. Get ready to have a good relationship with your broker if you own Workhorse, because you're going to have a margin call coming your way soon. If you would like up to $70 in free stock just for signing up and depositing at least $1, use the link in the description or in the pinned comment section to sign up for Public. Public is a stock investing brokerage / social media that is very, very easy to use and has lots of great information. They help you become educated on your investment, whether it's telling you what the recent news is on the stock or why the stock is moving. It's also a social media, so you can follow different people. You can follow me. You can follow other influencers on the platform as well. And the best part is you can see other people's portfolios, see what stocks they have, and if you see a stock you like, you can read about it. Look at all this different information, and it's all just super easy to use, and I absolutely love using Public. So check out those links below. You get up to $70 in free stock as long as you deposit at least $1. And with that being said, let's get back into the video. Anyways, guys, I need to reiterate the second point. So the estimated current short interest is 45.72 million. Now, a bunch of you guys already know this, but we still have 70 million shares out on loan. So there is a discrepancy of about 15 million shares that aren't short, but they're out on loan. So short interest is likely much higher than 40% on Workhorse, which is definitely a big deal, because it shows that people perhaps are hiding their short interest on Workhorse, whether that be through shorting deep in the money calls or doing some other shady stuff. There are definitely ways to get around having that short interest figure reported by the exchange, and these shares are still out on loan. So I think that Workhorse's short interest is more like 60% personally. Leave a comment or let me know in the Discord if you guys disagree and you think the short interest is correct, but I think it's not correct at all. I don't know. I just don't see that making any sense if we have 15 million shares that are on loan that are unaccounted for. Anyways, guys, if we're taking a look at the live feed from Reddit, we have the 4-hour chart, and Workhorse is completely dominating this one. However, they're not dominating on every single chart, and you have to keep in mind that Wish and Clover do not appear on this chart. However, we are now beating AMC on this 4-hour chart. If we go to the popular section, we are also above AMC, and we're right below GameStop. So Workhorse is making moves. I remember we were a solid 5th place for a while. We were below a bunch of names that aren't even on this list anymore. We have CLF, we were behind them. We were obviously behind AMC. We were obviously behind CLNE, which was dominating this list for a while. And now Workhorse is in that number 2 spot on the popular 4-hour chart. Workhorse is still there. Popular chart, Workhorse is in 2. So we're looking pretty strongly on this stock. If we go to Swaggy Stocks, we can see the Wall Street Bets ticker sentiment. And you guys can see that Workhorse is the 4th place spot behind Wish, Clover, and now SoFi. SoFi is taking over the day. Now these are the comment volumes based off the past 24 hours. So with that being said, we are in 4th place in terms of Swaggy Stocks sentiment indicator. And I also just checked, SoFi is another stock that does not show up on the other sentiment trackers. So that makes sense why Workhorse is in 1st place on those, but it's in 4th place on these, because the top 3 are not on that sentiment tracker. So consider using multiple sources to track the sentiment of your favorite stocks. Another thing that we should take into account is that the short squeeze type 3 signal from Ortex, it was a buy signal. It's going to be available in 9 days. So there's 9 days left on that signal. So we're going to see what's going to happen. I'm pretty confident that we're going to get this short squeeze. I think Ortex knows what they're doing. They actually changed the amount of days on this signal a few times, and they extended it because they still believed in the squeeze. So with 9 days left on this signal, guys, I think we're in for a treat within the next 2 weeks. Anyways, that brings me into the unusual options activity. We've got 2 unusual option activity alerts from the expiration date of 7/2/2021, and these were both on 6/28, so they were both alerted on Monday, which was yesterday, and they expire this week. So they're weekly call options and put options. The put option is at the $18 strike price and the call option's at the $20 strike price. So if the person who bought the call options is correct, we will be seeing Workhorse at above $20 per share by the end of this week. Now, if the person who bought the put is correct, we will be seeing Workhorse decline by the end of this week. Now, they may have been in it for a short swing trade. I don't know what their intentions were. However, you can see that the daily volume for the call option was much greater than the daily volume for the put option. So, you know what that means, guys. The Bulls are taking over the Bears. The Bears are gonna get smashed. The Bears are going to get liquidated. They're not going to have any money left. They're going to have to keep shorting stocks until they finally get it once. They're going to get margin called. They're going to, it's going to be a bad day for the Bears. I mean, Bears just have to realize that we here at Workhorse, we aren't apes. We aren't just apes. We are ape centaurs. We have horse bodies, but our whole torso and head are apes. We are ape centaurs, and we are going to the moon whether you like it or not. And I don't know. I mean, some of you guys are getting scared. We're going up 10% on a day and then holding the next day, not selling off, holding those price levels. We've got a lot of holders here at Workhorse, which is what I appreciate. We never dumped off as hard as some other stocks. Our price held very, very good. And eventually we're going to get that cost to borrow up and just make it a living hell to be a short on Workhorse. So with that being said, that's about it for the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. I enjoyed making it as always, and with that being said, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.